This is a story of how a run-and-gun hybrid shooter rigs up his gear for his travel videos. This is a simple enough video for your simple rigging solution. My video camera of choice is the Sony A6700. When it comes to rigging the camera for videos, the first few thoughts that come to my mind is how light it is going to be. Could my wife handle it for long periods? Is it fast enough to assemble or disassemble when carrying them everywhere? Can I accomplish everything I may need for different run-and-gun requirements? Today, I will talk about what works for me and how I configure the rig for different situations. I will also talk about the frustrations I face with this particular setup with Falcam cage. Hope this video is helpful for my dear travelers who are looking for some rigging solutions. Even if you are not into the system, watching this video will be helpful for your rigging considerations. I regularly use two types of run-and-gun configurations, one with a wireless mic and the other with a shotgun mic. When it comes to videos, I am particular about recording good quality audio, and so my choice of the microphones are either the Sennheiser MK600 for the shotgun mic and the Rode Wireless Pro for the wireless mic, or sometimes both. I carry all these in the camera cube that I can carry standalone or put them in any bag I own. What and how do I pack? To set this up, I need a table or a flat surface. When it is filming time, I open up the bag, get the camera out. The camera never leaves the cage, especially when I'm using it for videos. I always mount the lens on the camera that I plan to use 90% of the time. More on this cage later in this video. I pack a handle that has a magnetic mount for my phone. Additionally, I pack some lenses that I might need for some unforeseen circumstances. Here are a few ways I use my camera for videos. The camera with the cage is what I call bare bones. Bare bones with a shotgun mic for better than in-camera audio. Bare bones with wireless mic for wireless audio. Bare bones with a handle for better support. Bare bones with a handle and mic for better support and audio. Bare bones with a handle, mic and monitor for better support, audio and monitoring solution. How quick can I set up my rig from the bag to ready to shoot state? Choosing the above configurations depends on the time I have to rig up the camera. Here, the time is of the essence. Video and audio quality are essential if I'm filming my wife talking or if I'm filming an event or nature. So I take the camera and the mic out and slide them into their slots. For the kind of videos where I don't require audio, I get the camera and handle out for stabler video. If I absolutely can't get the handle out due to limited time, I roll bare bones. Ideally, I would want the camera to be connected with a mic for good audio, a handle for stabler footage, and the monitor for fine-tuning the video. The rest is history. Cage system considerations. When it comes to the cage selection, I call it as a system as the Falcam doesn't give the traditional cage experience. For quick rigging options, they do provide quick release points with F22 and F38 dimensions. While the F38 is an Arca-Swiss mount, F22 is a proprietary mount which will make users buy more Falcam accessories and will keep you in the Falcam system. I unfortunately got into it and I regret it. But it doesn't mean that the system is bad. It is actually okay if you want to stick with it. But I am brand agnostic and I would prefer universal mounts like NATO or Arca-Swiss support, which is available from brands like Smallrig and Tilda. To be honest, I'm not completely satisfied with this cage. It adds considerable bulk to the camera, which is fine as it provides a wide range of mounting options. This cage could use some design changes. For instance, when the handle is mounted, it is difficult to remove and insert the SD card as the SD card slot door doesn't open up completely, but otherwise it is a decent cage. I use these Smallrig tiny ball heads for more convenience. Yes, it adds to the weight, but it gives me more flexibility to change positions of mounted accessories to my convenience. I also use these Minifocus circular magnetic mounts. This, in my opinion, is a really good purchase. I just keep my phone wherever I want and it holds the phone pretty well. Using filters. I like to use magnetic CPL filters. It doesn't matter what brand it is, but these KNF concept ones are what I'm using and it is fine for the price. I use ND, CPL and Blackness Pro in tandem with each other depending on the situations, but mostly the Blackness Pro and CPL filters stay on my lens. This again is a simple enough video for your simple rigging solution. What works for you may not work for everyone, so please take your time to research and find the products that work for you. Hope you learned something from this video. If you liked the video, please hit like and subscribe to the channel for more such content on traveling and travel photo and video gears. Thank you for watching the video. Peace.